thank you for joining me. Today I am unboxing a new box to me. It is another essential oil box. I currently have and have loved the Simply Earth essential oil recipe box, and I will link in either one of these corners the playlist so you can see those. They come with 4 full-size essential oils and everything you need to make the recipes inside. And on my Instagram account, they started spamming me with ads for this box. This is the oiler box, and it's similar in that it has recipes and oils in it. So I wanted to get it and try it out and see how it compares to the other one. So this is the box. I'll put the price up here because I can't remember off the top of my head. First thing I noticed when I got it was that there was an oil spot, so I thought, well, something spilled. When you open it up, this is Awake the Oiler within, and there's a sneak peek. So on the top, we have our recipe cards. Whoa! We have our recipe cards. Let me read you what we've got. We've got toilet bowl cleaner, garbage disposal tablets. So there's some creative recipes. After shower spray, so you can spray down the shower. We have furniture oil polish, wood polish, spider spray. You spray it around your door frames to keep the spiders away. Hand sanitizer gel. So Fresh, So Clean diffuser mix. A seasonal support roller. And then a linen spray so you can spray your beds. So these are very creative recipes. Recipes that I haven't seen yet in the other box. Something I did notice about this though. Here, let's look. It's got, these are the essential oils. They come in these little packets. And first thing you notice is that they're small. They're smaller than what you get in the other box. And there's only 2 of them. So this is the tiny vial of essential oil that you get. I will use this up in one recipe. This is lemon. And it's not labeled. It is in a dark bottle. That's good. And then the other one that we got is lavender. So these are nice sealed so they don't spill. So that's not what's on my box. And then again, a little thing of lavender, not labeled. I'll get these mixed up with the lemon. So as you see on this first one, the seasonal support roller, it calls for the lavender and the lemon, which they give us, but then it has peppermint, which we don't have. So that's one strike. There's not everything you need in this box. What if I don't have peppermint oil? And it calls for a roller bottle. So let's see if they included that. Okay, so they did include the roller bottle. It's this frosted bottle and there's the little ball. So that's good. What else do they have in here? A little vinyl decal. Probably put that on my bottle, my drink bottle. All right, so they have a spray bottle. Okay, so it comes with Thieves Household Cleaner Concentrate, and I know it looks like they put something in here to keep it from spilling, but honestly, you can see through it, and there's this much. So either they didn't give you very much, or it spilled out, which is a bummer. So what would you need Thieves Household Cleaner Concentrate for? Let's look. It looks like for the after shower spray, and it says you only need a tablespoon. So maybe that's all that was supposed to be in there in that big bottle, is just a little bit. Again, it uses tea tree oil and oregano oil, which I don't have. Okay, and then also, and I think this is what spilled. This is sweet almond oil, and there's just a tiny bit left in the bottom, which is a bummer. Let's see what recipe. Oh, but there is a second bottle. Oh, but it has the same amount. Maybe it's, I don't know. Was it only supposed to come with a little bit? That's strange. So strange. Let's look at the recipe. Maybe that'll give us some answers. So I found the hand sanitizer gel, and this recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of almond oil. So maybe they literally give you 1 tablespoon of almond oil. I don't know. I mean, some of it leaked out, but is there a whole tablespoon in there? Probably not. That's a bummer. All right, what else? There's some Castile soap, and there's a little bit more in here. It's definitely not a full bottle. Let's see what recipe calls for that. Looks like the spider spray, it requires 1 tablespoon of that, and it also calls for peppermint essential oil, which is not in here. What else? This furniture oil polish calls for the spray bottle that we've got, but it also calls for orange essential oil, which is not here. There's also, a lot of these recipes have vinegar in them, which I don't expect them to send the vinegar. I have that at home, but purified water and baking soda. This one calls for baking soda. Again, you probably have that in your kitchen. I don't expect them to send that. And then, oh, and the garbage disposal tablets also have the Castile soap in them. So, and the toilet cleaner. A squirt bottle. I don't have a squirt bottle. I guess I could reuse the one that I could probably reuse this for the toilet cleaner. I think that's probably what they had planned, because that recipe also has the thieves cleaner. So yeah, that's probably what they had in mind. That makes sense. And this one actually does have everything you need. If you use that squirt bottle that the thieves household cleaner came in, well, it doesn't have the water or the baking soda, but it has the lemon essential oil and the lavender essential oil and the Castile dish soap. So this one, other than the baking soda, I could make. So I wish I knew the price right off the top of my head to see if this is worth it. It's a little bit of a disappointment in that you don't get much oil. You don't get any extra materials, that's for sure. The little bottles aren't labeled, so I can smell them and tell the difference. But, and yeah, so that's my overall opinion, is that it's a really neat idea. I think that maybe they could be more generous. Maybe a little more generous with the oils and with the products. So I'm not sure. I'm debating whether I should keep this one and try it again, or just go ahead and stay with my Simply Earth, which I know and love. So what do you guys think? Tell me in the description box. Or I could put a poll up here. Should I keep it? Should I not? Their recipes are interesting, but on their Instagram they do share a lot of recipes. So I don't know. I'm kind of on this one. Well, thank you for joining me. I hope this finds you happy and healthy, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.